can guarantee you're very safe. Now, we have been working on our security features. So number one, back, you cannot compromise security. That's very, very important for us. So we can assure our public, our banking public, that we continuously improve the security measures of the bank. And even if you use your online banking facilities, talagang makakampante ka, mapapanatag yung load. So I invite everyone to try our video app, Video Pay. So marami pa kaming mga services na dinidevelop later on, and you would be surprised how much improvement that we can carry on.